I think from the talk, what we gathered, again, we had 5 industry experts in there that were kind of giving their viewpoints, whether they were small biotech, large pharma, academics. Really the highlights were staffing needs and training, not having having all the people available to do all of the work that's needed in the space right now, and keeping those trained staffs highly trained, but also retaining them. Retention is a big issue. The other with capacity was the supply chain constraints, specifically around consumables. So that's obviously being felt across the board everywhere. The other one was really scalability. So when you're looking at expanding your current capacity, how do you make sure you're putting in scalable processes and scalable characteristics of your platform, your facility, so that you can grow into it over the next couple of years? The other piece to that is, when do you include automation and digitization within that in the form of electronic batch records, ESOPs, et cetera? At what point do you do that when you're looking at your capacity constraints and where you hope to build those?